What are the most important qualities required to be a successful doctor?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting topic. What does it take to be a successful doctor? Being a doctor is a noble profession, but it's not for everyone. It requires specific skills, qualities, and a genuine dedication. So, without further ado, let's explore the essential qualities required for being a successful doctor.
Medical knowledge and lifelong learning.
First and foremost, a successful doctor must possess an extensive understanding of medical knowledge. This includes everything from basic biology to complex surgical procedures. But what's just as important is a commitment to lifelong learning. Medicine is an ever-evolving field, and to stay on top, doctors must continuously update their knowledge and skills.
Excellent communication skills.
Being a doctor isn't just about medical know-how. It's also about communicating effectively with patients, their families, and other medical professionals. Good doctors can explain complex medical terms in a simple and understandable way. They're also excellent listeners, showing empathy and understanding towards their patients' concerns.
Compassion and empathy.
A truly successful doctor cares about their patients. They display compassion and empathy, understanding that their patients may be going through a difficult time. A kind word, a gentle touch, or even a moment of silence can sometimes mean more than a prescription.
Professionalism and ethics.
Professionalism is key in medicine. This includes respect for patient confidentiality, maintaining appropriate boundaries, and always placing the patient's well-being above personal interest. Additionally, a successful doctor must understand and abide by medical ethics, always ensuring their actions are in the best interest of the patient.
Resilience in stress management.
Medicine is a challenging field, and it can often be stressful. Dealing with life and death situations, long working hours, and a heavy workload can take a toll. That's why successful doctors need resilience and effective stress management strategies. They understand the importance of self-care and balance to maintain their mental health. So there we have it. Medical knowledge, lifelong learning, communication skills, compassion, professionalism, ethics, resilience, and stress management. These are some of the key qualities that define a successful doctor. Remember, these qualities don't just help doctors excel in their careers, but also ensure that patients receive the best care possible. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you found this discussion enlightening.